Hello students, today we discuss formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. How we studied in the last video how to form a PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. So here it is of arbitrary functions. So the function z will be given. Here f is an arbitrary function which we need to eliminate. Z is some function of x square plus y square. It means it may be any function like sine of x square plus y square, log of x square plus y square, or e to the power of x square plus y square, some function of x square plus y square. So we need to eliminate the function f. So we need to form a partial differential equation, hence it is required that to frame a partial derivatives. So partially differentiate z with respect to x and partially differentiate z with respect to y. So dou z by dou x is taken as p, dou z by dou y is taken as q. Now partially differentiate f with respect to x. So consider this bracket term as some variable u. Derivative of f of u is f dash of u, that u is substituted. Then derivative of that bracket term with respect to x is 2x. Similarly, partially differentiate z with respect to y. This bracket term you consider it as another variable as u. Like derivative of f of u is f dash of u. So what is u? You consider, you substitute. Then that bracket answer differentiate with respect to y, that is 2y. Okay. Now apply some arithmetic operation where I can eliminate the function f or f dash, because partial derivative has to obtain means the partial derivative should be there in that equation. So we need to use this equation 1, 2 and 3. Apply some arithmetic operation where we can eliminate f function. So here arithmetic operation is applied is, observe that if I divide p by q, f dash get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So what we left out? X by y, where f dash function is eliminated. A function, any function related to f is eliminated. So that is a step itself. Here it is discussed. Observe that divided equation 2 by 3. So we get a partial derivative. Cross multiply, we get a partial derivative py equal to qx. So subtracted py minus qx is equal to 0 is the required partial derivative. So like this you need to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Let us discuss one more problem related to this. Z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. Function of this. How x square plus y square we had, here 1 by x plus log y. In the same way, find the partial derivative of it. Differentiate z with respect to x. During that time, y square is constant, but f function contain x. Hence derive it. Derivative of f of any function is f dash of that function. Then that bracket function with respect to x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Then find out partial derivative of z with respect to y. Derivative of y square is 2y. 2 as it is. Derivative of f is f dash of that bracket function, you have to write as it is. Then from that bracket function differentiate only y variable. What is the derivative of log y is 1 by y. Now apply a property, arithmetic property, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any way you can do it in such a way that the functions or a derivative related to the function should get cancelled. So here I can't divide like previous problem. 2y is extra, correct? So what we can do it here, what we can do, if I subtract it, this function with this, is it get cancelled? No. Multiplication terms, different multiplication terms, yes or no? So here a simple way is 2 into f dash of this function can be written as, if I bring this x square to left side, px square. So that can be substituted over here, from where f dash term will get eliminated. See, here you can observe x square term is brought to next, minus 2f f dash. So it is can be written as p x square. Now you can observe in this place q minus 2y is brought left side, then this multiplied y also brought to left side, 2f dash of 1 by x kept as it is. From above equation what we simplified, in the place of 2f dash I can substitute it as minus px square. So we substituted minus px square, this term is brought to right side. The simplification of that is done. That simplification you can do it anyway. So the required partial differential equation is px square plus qy equal to 2y square after the simplification. Okay. So the logic how to eliminate the function is you require to find out. So the procedure of eliminating a function from problem to problem will differ. Let us discuss some more problems related to this. Now here z is equal to e to the power of ax plus by into f of ax minus by is given. I need to find out the partial derivative. So f should get eliminated, means find the partial derivative of this. Product of two functions contain x and x is there. So I need to apply product rule. So this term kept as it is. Derivative of f is written as f dash, then bracket term of that is written as into a. Derivative of ax is a. When you are differentiating partially with respect to y, this term becomes 0. Now f of ax minus by kept as it is, then e to the power of function is differentiated. Let us consider this whole power term as u. What is the derivative of e to the power of u is e to the power of u. So e to the power of that u term you substitute and write. Then that function, the only numerator function, differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x is 1 into a. So that a is written over here. Derivative of y when you partially differentiate with respect to x is 0. Next, similarly partially differentiate with respect to y. Both terms contain a y variable and it is in a product form. Hence apply product rule. E to the power of ax plus by as it is. Derivative of f function is f dash of that function. Then bracket term with respect to y, when you differentiate you get minus b. Plus, now this term as it f of ax minus by as it is. Derivative of e to the power of anything is e to the power of, then that power term with respect to y when you differentiate you get into b. Now how to simplify this one? What is the arithmetic operation we need to apply? Now observe it. Here e to the power of ax, f of ax term, this term is nothing but z. That is available in both the equation. So it is written a into e to the power of ax f dash of az plus a into this whole term is taken as z. In the same way for q also, this term is written as it is and b into this term is written as z. Now apply some arithmetic operation where I can eliminate this f dash term from these two equations. So what it can be done to eliminate this by adding or subtracting. These terms are common, but what is extra is a and b, which is a constant. So if I multiply b to this equation and if I multiply a to this equation, these two terms become same, and with minus sign, if I add it with this minus sign presence, you can cancel these two terms. So that itself in sentence they have given multiply second equation, this equation, by b, and third equation, this is third equation, by a, and adding that two, we get it as this two term get cancelled, multiply b to second a, so b into p plus a into q, that itself is written here, equal to right hand side this two term get cancelled, so here a into bz plus a into bz will become 2 times a into bz. So this is a required partial differential equation for the given function. Just p and q is resubstituted with again another type of the notation what we represent for partial derivative. Okay, these are some simple problems related to eliminating a arbitrary function to form a partial differential equation.